Hey, Aki. Hey, Aki.
What do you want?
Oh, nothing, man. Chilling. You know what? Recently found out Maki had an OnlyFans. Like, what?
Wait, what? You're joking.
Nah, no jokes. Like, come here. I'll show you. Yeah.
Fine. I hope it's worth my time.
Oh, yeah, time and all. It's worth all that. Yeah. See?
Okay, and... Denji, what the fuck is this?
No.
I'll tell you what it is.
No.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
No, I'm not done. Since you want to make a policy where me and Power can't goon, nut shot, and another nut shot. Oh, I need more. I'm not done. Oh, fuck. Stop. Denji. Nut shot. Oh, that's 6 points. I think it's about 6, 7 points.
6, 7!